Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So, you probably clicked on this video because you have a burnt out headlight in your facelift 4th Gen Firebird. Well, me too. Let's fix it.
So to start off, you're gonna need two tools. A medium-sized Phillips screwdriver and a T15 Torx screwdriver, or a screwdriver with a T15 Torx bit. Next, flip up your headlights and you need to remove these three screws. This one here, this one here, and this one right there. Those three Phillips screws. So once those three screws are removed, you can pop this little headlight cover off like that. Set that aside. And then I'm replacing the low beam, so that's this one. And you take out these four screws. This one here, this one here, this one here, and this one here. Those four screws, once they're removed, we'll remove this frame piece holding the headlight in. Let's get those off. Alrighty, once those four screws are removed, you can go ahead and remove this little frame piece holding the headlight in. And the headlight will just pop out just like that. Let's disconnect the connector in the back there. Carefully. And then the headlight should come out just like that. There's no other wiring. So let's go get the new one here. Alright, as you can see here, brand new. As compared to the other one. So let's go put this guy in. So now, this headlight's in here. We can take the frame piece, put it back on, and put these four screws in. Once you got those four screws in, you can go ahead and take the plastic cover piece and then put it back on. Get the three Phillips screws, put those back in their holes here, here, and there, and then you're literally set, good to go. Here's a pro tip for you guys. When putting this final screw in here, if you're not careful, you can drop it and lose it down there. I've already done that twice, so. And boom, just like that. Brand new headlight here. Everything's solid, in good shape, and it'll be good to go. Next video, I'm probably going to be placing these running lights down here. Right there. Not only am I going to be replacing the bulbs, I'm also going to be replacing the full-on fixtures. I have two extra fixtures in the back. So, yeah. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video. Peace.